Today, I'm going to clean up my insanely messy garage shop, starting off with an easy French cleat wall organizer. Welcome back to the Maker's Best Friend shop. If you're new here, you may not know that I run my side hustle out of my one-car garage shop. But as you can already tell, it's getting pretty cluttered around here, especially when I start to build several projects in parallel. Today, I've decided to change that. I've got several garage organization projects to fix this, and I've decided to start with the easiest of them all, which is a wall organization system that allows me to hang up my various tools and items around the shop. So just remember as you're watching this video that I'm in the process of completely redoing my entire shop, so it's going to be a complete mess from the floors to the walls. But at the end of this, it'll be like a completely new shop that will let me work a lot more efficiently.
So I was able to cut 4 of these pieces of plywood out of some 3/4 inch plywood that I had as scrap. These are each 10 inches wide, and that's gonna let me make 2 French cleat walls out of each of them, because I'm gonna cut each of them at a 45-degree angle now, which will then allow me to have 2 of these on the wall. So we're just gonna take our table saw blade here. And just like that, you have 2 pieces, and they're gonna sit up against the wall like this, and they'll be able to hold all of our tools. That's pretty exciting.
And now that we have those 2 pieces cut, we can go ahead and cut out the other pieces so that I'll have 6 in total, letting me make 3 long rows that will be attached to the wall. And since I like to have some more character and color in my shop, I'll be painting these shelves this green color. This is just some leftover paint I had in the shop, but I think it'll work for the overall look of the shop, which will be a combination of green, black, and white colors. Now, to hang these up, we definitely want to make sure we are connecting to the studs in the wall, since they will be hanging a ton of weight with the different tools that will be attached to them. After using a stud finder, I used the integrated level to ensure everything was in line before screwing the shelves straight into the wall. To attach these to the wall, I used 2 to 3 screws per each piece and just butted them up against each other to hang them up against the wall. And I actually just used a 2x4 as a spacer between the top and bottom shelves. This made it a lot easier to make sure they were evenly spaced while I hung them up. And it ended up being a pretty good distance for hanging up my tools. And these are my tool wall organizers that I built in the previous video that's linked above. And I gotta say, I absolutely love these. I use them heavily all the time, and they're still holding together strong. Now, if you've been enjoying this video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. We're trying to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year, and we'd appreciate your help. After everything was up on my new wall, I hung up the good old logo, and we're done. Thanks again for watching. Peace.